Guys, Paul here from PA Outdoors Couple in the forest of northeastern Pennsylvania with a small patch of wild leeks, wild ramps, and people are ramping up for the 2025 harvest season for these little buggers here. Now, we did a small video, a very short 30-second clip video of our wild ramp harvest from last year. We were very excited to show it to you. We were kind of new at doing the whole thing, but especially the video part of it, but we only told you half the story. We pulled the ramp out of the ground because we wanted to show you exactly what it looks like. And at that point in time, we're harvesting some bulbs. Do not harvest too many of the bulbs. Only a small percentage should be harvested of your leek population to ensure a healthy leek population for years to come. The other thing you should harvest is a leaf. They have 2 leaves. Harvest 1 leaf, and you can harvest several of them in the population. 1 leaf per plant. Dry that, chop it up. It puts a beautiful garnish into soup stocks and what have you. That way, every year you come back, you ensure a healthy population of leeks to come. And we wanted to give you that little PSA so you have a fun and healthy time harvesting, and you're mindful of what you're harvesting and how much, because that's very important. So anyway, this has been Paul from PA Outdoors Couple. Cheers, get outdoors. Guys, Paul here from PA Outdoors Couple in the forest of North